Welcome to Toys&Girls and happy Valentine's Day! Today we are doing a Dump It Slime Challenge, Valentine's Day edition with straws. This is gonna be really cool. We haven't done a straw video in a while, right?
We haven't. It's like, I don't know, it's been 6 months-ish.
If you're new to our channel, I'm Annalise.
I'm Rachel.
And I'm Julia.
They're fraternal twins and I'm their older sister.
We would love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
If you do, you'll become part of our CG family.
So let us know in the comments down below if you've done those things and you might get a shout out at the end. Let's get started. I'm just super excited for Valentine's Day and look how cute these straws are. So let's get started.
So the way this is going to work is we have 5 rounds. Each round we'll pull a straw. If we get pink or red glitter, we get 1 point. If we get heart glitter, we get 2 points. If we get the
blue glitter, we have to dump our whole bowl of stuff into the person on our left, and for Julia, that would be me. So it'll go like this. And into our empty bowl goes the blue glitter. Hello, it's me. So the goal is to get the most points and the most Valentine's Day slime. Yes.
And the most Valentine's Day slime. By the way, we'd like you guys to tell us down below if you are doing anything fun for Valentine's Day.
We are going to school.
We're also gonna have a Valentine's Day party, and
there's gonna be like cookies, I guess.
Last Wednesday there was a birthday party in my class, and there were cupcakes and ice cream cookies.
So that sounds fun. I don't really know what I hope we party. I mean, this is gonna be my first year being in school on Valentine's Day, so it'll be different for sure. All right, let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. We haven't done rock, paper, scissors in a while, so ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I go first. Who goes second? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Julie goes last, I'm sorry. Guys, it's the first time I've won rock, paper, scissors in forever. I just realized that. Valentine's Day is giving me good luck. All right.
Do you want to mix one, Rachel?
Yeah. Can you bring it a little bit closer too? Kind of hard to. All right, this one. I got heart glitter! Rachel, it is your turn. Go ahead. Oh, looks like you got some pink glitter. All right, Julia.
No, pink.
Julia.
There's no purple.
Julia, come here. Wait, let me mix them. All right, go for it.
Go for it.
Yes. Red. Okay, let's cut these. Usually whenever we cut them, the tops go flying. So let's see. Ready? It went flying. All right, ready? Yay! I got hearts. I got 2 points. It's like holographic.
Okay.
Ready? We're gonna be finding them all over the house. Oh, this is really pretty. Okay. I love Valentine's Day. It's awesome. That sound is smart. It's finest. I'm gonna stir mine up.
I think it looks pretty.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I really hope I don't get blue throughout the entire challenge because this looks gorgeous. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in. So wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on.
It is time for round 2.
And Rachel goes first. Pick. Try it. Wait. Okay. Looks like you got red. Let me mix them up. Sorry. Red again. And my turn. How many blue are there? Pink. This time Rachel gets to cut first. We also already have a scissor. Oh. Okay. Oh, this is like a darker pink. Alrighty. I haven't got blue yet, so we're doing good. almost hit Gus. Alright, because Gus is in the corner as usual. Mine's looking so pretty. Yay, yay, yay. Look at this. Ooh. I'm feeling really good about this. Look. Look at that. It's like a red.
There's one little heart just floating in the middle.
Yeah, it got in there from when I was filling them in the funnel.
For you. Alrighty, round 3, and it's my turn to pull. My darling, let me mix them up for you. Gigi, Julia, Shelby. Alright. Hey. Cool, I was mixing up.
Okay.
Oh, I'm scared. I think I got red.
My turn.
Hopefully I got red. Oh, I really hope I didn't get red. I'm gonna be so sad if I got blue. You got blue! Who did she switch to?
And I had.
Who did she switch to? She got blue, guys!
I lose all my pretty slime.
Wait,
now.
did she lose her points?
No.
Okay.
Just the slime.
Oh, Julia, you got a pretty one. All right, ready? Please don't, wait. Oh, it looks like purple, pink. Oh my gosh, I love that so much.
And I have to dump my slime.
No. Julia. It's kind of bad for both, isn't it?
Hang on, here we go.
It's
You held your bowl up right.
It's good for me though.
You don't get my points.
No, but I get all your colors.
My bowl is very sad and very empty. Gus
We need more blue though.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, but that is a pretty blue. Mine is so pretty. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. Look at how pretty mine's turning out. It's really small, but it's gorgeous. Okay, guys, so now it's time for me to go first, right? Okay, Yeah.
There are 2 more blues, so heads up.
I'm so scared. Okay.
Okay, so actually, guys, you know what's funny is that if you've ever had conversation hearts, you will know there are blue conversation hearts in there.
Oh yeah, there are. They're like those candy. Are they called conversation hearts or
So
like?
why are we talking about this?
Because technically, if the conversation hearts have blue, wouldn't that make it part of Valentine's Day?
Well, we already made the challenge.
Yeah, too bad. I'm worth 3 points. I beat you all.
All right, ready?
Okay.
Look away. Look away. Okay, let's go. Oh, there you go. Ow, I just hit myself.
Red or something like that.
Red, I hope it's not blue. Oh, I'm so scared. Turn your eyes. What happens if only blue is left?
Pinky color.
Pinky color.
Oh, Julia.
Ah! Purple. Josh just dumped into my bowl. I'm gonna go first. I really hope I didn't get blue. I don't think I did.
Gus. It hit Gus.
Yeah, I didn't get blue.
That piece of straw hit Gus right in the back.
Yay.
Gus didn't even wake up. He's such a deep sleeper. Okay, can I hit him? No.
That'd be mean if you hit him.
Not really. I mean, the cap's not gonna hurt him or anything.
Okay, guys, I have to dump my slime, which is actually really sad for me and Annalise. I love my color. I don't really. I mean,
Move your bowl closer to me, please.
But like, I also really like my color just the way it is. Ah, goodbye, slime. It was nice while I had you. You have to scrape it out. There shall be nothing left. It's so pretty still. Look at the hearts. I'm actually not sad. Oh, my color's kind of overtaking it, so it's just a bit darker. Yay!
Mine might turn out purple because of the blue glitter.
Yeah,
It's
thinking
kind of
purple.
a dark. It's like it's pink, but it's shot through with streaks of
That's good. Blue. Stop now.
Oh, look at that blue. It is our last round, which means I am not going to get to pick. I'm just going to be left with the very last one. So, Rachel, cover your eyes, please, my one.
my one.
Just don't listen to anything that comes out of my mouth.
Yeah, I better hope so. Did I get the blue?
Yeah.
I think I did get the blue.
She got blue. She got blue. Cover your eyes. She got blue.
Okay.
Oh, I got the heart glitter. I didn't get a single blue. Let's just check a look at this thing. That might
You might actually kill Mom with one
Ready?
of those.
Slow motion, please. Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's rose gold.
Yeah.
No, actually, it's just brown.
No, it's rose gold.
That is so pretty. And it's perfect because it's my favorite color. Oh.
I wish I could keep this long because it's really pretty. So, let's go. If you can just hold this bowl and keep it from slipping, I can do the rest.
I can't believe how that worked out. Funny what happens when you prank, huh?
Galaxy slime.
Oh, Joel, yours looks amazing. And now let me cut. Cut to a real beautiful Rachel, my team. Heart.
You know that was an extra point?
I know. I got 2 points. I got 2 points. How many points do I have?
My last one is gonna hit Gus, I hope.
Why?
I just want to see if he reacts at all. It hit Gus,
him.
but he didn't even move. Gus! Ah. Yeah. Alright.
I'm gonna activate. Is that okay?
Very good.
Oh, that's pretty.
I got aquamarine. So I lost the challenge, but I love the colors. So
we just-
technically,
Round of applause.
I won.
please.
Guys,
Even
I
if you're
won.
sitting here watching a
I
video,
love it, I won.
doesn't matter if like you're in a room or just completely alone in your bedroom or watching this on your iPhone. Just give them a round of applause. You know what? It doesn't matter if people are staring. It doesn't matter if you're in a mall and start screaming "Wow!" and people are like staring at you. Give them a round of applause. Right?
Annalise, this isn't the drip. You don't need a valve
This
drip.
is not the drip. This is the pour.
Actually,
Let's be careful.
I don't think that's the pour. I think that's the jet. Jet mode. I have a tiny slime. Good morning, Gus.
Hello, welcome to the world. It's a life that you might like.
Or maybe not.
So Annalise is the winner with 6 points.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you're too kind.
Oh,
Keep
no,
it
I'm
coming.
not too kind.
Keep
I
it
am
coming.
cruel.
5 more minutes.
Negative, you got negative 6 points, Annalise. I'm so sorry.
I feel abused right now.
You have been abused.
Do you even know what a -6 is?
Negative
No.
6 is 6 beneath 0.
My slime matches my shirt. Rachel's slime almost matches her shirt.
I do have a plaid shirt that matches this color, but I didn't wear it today. Because I thought this green one would go better with the colors. But still, of all the colors here, this one matches me the most.
So mine matches my shirt. Julia's matches her shirt really well. And Rachel's is really close to matching her shirt. If this night is not forever, at least we are together. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not alone. So guys, we have our entire matching Valentine's Day slimes. So
Mostly matching.
mostly, yeah, pretty much matching.
Mostly.
This was super cool. I won. Well, I actually think Julia's slime is really pretty because purple's my favorite color and hers is basically purple, so.
I didn't tell you, Annalise, but I have a prize for you
You do?
for winning the challenge.
I do?
Yeah, I got a prize for you. Are you
What is
ready?
it? Yeah.
Here it is. Here it is.
I got a puppy! I love the puppy!
The puppy loves you too.
Your puppy looks happy.
Hey puppy, you're really fat.
Puppy's like, whatever.
Yes, yes.
Bye bye puppy. So here are finished slimes. This is mine. Absolutely full of glitter. Full of Valentine's Day love. Same with mine.
And here is mine. Full of Valentine's Day. Just a little. Look.
I just realized something, you guys.
What?
The unicorn poop curse.
Oh my god! I feel it upon us.
No wonder we got pink, purple, and blue.
It was there the whole time.
Rachel, you could have worn your shirt and it would have been so complete.
Dang it!
Go quickly get it on.
Bad puppy dog.
Rachel, you're fired.
Distracted me.
You're fired, Rachel.
Rachel,
You cost me my
she's
pay. Okay, you guys, that was really fun, but now it is time for Snot.
Now it's time for calling out the names of children. Madison Spate,
Alekia Bella,
cute and satisfying. Margole Reyes Gutierrez,
Alara Gomez.
and Addison Thornton. Thank you so much for being part of our CG family.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please get a big thumbs up.
We love you guys so much. Bye.